you know why you're bald?
That's how God made me.
No, son. You have...
What?
You have cancer.
What's that?
You're going to die soon.
No one knows what it's like to be the bad man, to be the sad man behind